When we are talking to young people about engineering and science, chocolate is a great way to get their attention. Welding with chocolate shows how engineering can improve material properties, from an easily broken bar to a much stronger engineered structure. But even strong structures can be damaged. Wow! Any baker knows that chocolate can easily break. But it's okay. With the right material and the right tools, the damage can be mended. It maybe needs some work. The Amos project is about doing the same thing with metal. We are looking at how we can repair aircraft parts using welding and additive manufacturing. Here at Nuclear AMRC, we are working with arc welding of metal wire controlled by a robot arm. This experiment is about understanding the changes in temperature around the weld. Just like baking, heat can have a big effect on the end results. Understanding how these processes affect the material takes a lot of research. Amos is a 4-year project with partners from across Europe and Canada, all working on a range of technologies and metals. We are developing new techniques for analyzing damage to aerospace parts and using additive manufacturing to make the repair. Together, we are developing new technology to reduce waste and keep aeroplanes flying safely.